In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to connect Patreon to Facebook. We'll be doing this directly from your Patreon account settings, and the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. If you have both accounts ready and you're already signed in, this should only take a minute or two. To get started, go to Patreon. Once the site loads, make sure you're on your creator account or the account you want to manage. Since Patreon has several menus and pages, it helps to begin from the main dashboard so you can navigate more easily. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the Patreon interface and click the three dots. This opens an additional menu with more account options. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to scan the lower left side of the screen because that's where Patreon places some of its secondary navigation tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage the details of your account, including profile options, preferences, and connected services. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the full settings panel appears before moving on. Once you're in Settings, click on Account. This section is where Patreon keeps core account information and connection options. You may see several tabs or categories here, so be sure you're in the correct section before continuing. After that, look for the social links area. This is the part of the account settings where Patreon allows you to connect external platforms. Depending on your screen size or browser window, you may need to scroll a bit to find it. Just move slowly through the page until you see the list of available social platforms. When you find Facebook in the social links section, click Connect. Patreon will begin the connection process and may redirect you to Facebook or open a permission window. At that point, simply follow the prompts on screen to authorize the connection. Make sure you approve the correct account so Patreon links to the Facebook profile or page you actually want to use. Once the connection is complete, you should see Facebook listed as connected inside Patreon. That's a good sign that everything worked properly. If it doesn't connect on the first try, refresh the page and check again, or repeat the same steps from the account settings section. And that's it. You've successfully connected Patreon to Facebook.